Unlocking Financial Freedom, your 2025 roadmap. Financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having control over your money and your life. It's about having options and making choices that align with your values, not your bank account. In 2025, there are simple steps anyone can take to accelerate their journey toward financial independence. You don't need a complex financial strategy or a six-figure salary to start. What you need is a plan. In this video, we're building your 2025 roadmap to financial freedom. We'll create a clear path to financial freedom, step by step, with actionable advice you can implement right now. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about budgeting. You can't build wealth without understanding where your money is going. The good news is, budgeting doesn't have to be a painful chore. Forget those complicated spreadsheets and endless calculations. We live in a digital age. There are amazing apps like Mint and YNAB that make tracking your income and expenses easy. Think of it like this. Budgeting apps are like your financial fitness tracker. They give you real-time insights into your spending habits, help you identify areas where you can cut back, and keep you accountable to your financial goals. Download a budgeting app, start tracking your money, and watch as you gain control over your finances. You got this. Let's move on to the next step. Debt. It's the big bad wolf of personal finance. The key to conquering debt is to prioritize. Focus your energy on paying down high-interest debt first. Think credit cards, payday loans, anything with crazy interest rates. By tackling this debt aggressively, you're effectively giving yourself a guaranteed return on your money. One popular method is the debt snowball method. List out all your debts from smallest to largest regardless of interest rates. Attack the smallest debt with a vengeance while making minimum payments on everything else. Get laser focused, prioritize high-interest debt, and watch as you break free from its grip. Chapter 3. Invest early. Small steps, big rewards. Investing. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard or have a ton of money to get started. The world of investing is more accessible than ever before. The earlier you start, the better, even if it's with small amounts. Over time, these small investments can grow significantly. Think of it like planting a tree. You nurture it, and with time, it grows. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The growth over time is remarkable. The second best time? Today. It's never too late to start. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Compounding is like magic. It allows your investments to grow exponentially. It's the process of earning interest on your interest. This means your money makes more money over time. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can grow into a substantial nest egg. Consistency is key. Don't let the world of investing intimidate you. It's a journey, and every step counts. There are tons of resources available, from beginner-friendly apps like Robinhood and Acorns to educational websites and YouTube channels. These tools can guide you every step of the way. Start by investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer instant diversification. This helps spread your risk. Even if you can only invest $10 or $20 a week, do it. Small, regular investments can add up over time. Your future self will thank you. The peace of mind and financial security you'll gain are worth the effort. Chapter 4. Build passive income. Make money while you sleep. Let's talk about making money while you sleep. Imagine waking up every morning to find that your bank account has grown overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the beauty of passive income. It's money that comes in with little to no effort on your part once the initial work is done. It's about creating income streams that continue to generate cash flow even when you're not actively working. This could be through investments, rental properties, or online ventures. Building passive income takes effort up front, but the rewards are well worth it. You need to put in the time and energy initially to set up these income streams. One popular option is rental income. By owning rental properties, you can earn a steady stream of cash flow from tenants. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of cash flow. Plus, real estate often appreciates in value over time, adding to your wealth. The online world is bursting with opportunities to build passive income streams. From affiliate marketing to dropshipping, the possibilities are endless. You could start a blog or YouTube channel, both of which can generate income through ads and sponsorships. Create and sell online courses, sharing your expertise with a global audience, or even sell digital products like ebooks or printables. These products can be sold over and over again without any additional work. The key is to start small and scale up gradually. Don't expect to get rich overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll see growth. Building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are life-changing. Imagine reaching financial milestones and watching your income grow. It's about creating financial freedom and designing a life where you work because you want to, not because you have to. This is the ultimate goal of building passive income. Chapter 5. Long-term wealth. Forget get-rich-quick. Get-rich-quick schemes are a myth. Building lasting wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a focus on the long game. True wealth is built brick by brick through consistent effort and smart financial decisions. Instead of chasing shortcuts, focus on building a solid foundation for long-term financial growth. The most successful investors in the world didn't get rich overnight. They built their fortunes through decades of smart investing, patience, and a deep understanding of the markets. Tune out the noise, ignore the hype, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride. So there you have it, your 2025 roadmap to financial freedom. This plan is designed to guide you step by step, ensuring you make the most of your financial opportunities. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, these steps will help you achieve your goals. Remember, achieving financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a plan. It requires dedication, consistency, and a clear vision of where you want to be. By setting realistic goals and tracking your progress, you can turn your financial aspirations into reality. Start following these steps today and your future self will thank you. Every small action you take now will compound over time, leading to significant results. It's all about making smart choices and staying committed to your plan. It won't always be easy, there will be bumps in the road, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and persistent. What step are you going to take first? Maybe it's creating a budget, or perhaps it's starting an emergency fund. Whatever it is, take that first step today. Let me know in the comments below. Share your first step and inspire others in our community to take action as well. Your journey can motivate someone else to start theirs. And hey, if you're ready to take control of your finances and build a brighter future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Together, we can achieve financial success. Next up, how to save money as a student. This is a crucial topic for anyone looking to manage their finances effectively while studying. Until then, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep crushing it. Your financial freedom journey starts now, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals.